Alright guys, so check this out. This is the Grande Gourmet breaded coconut shrimp. This was on sale at Costco, so I'm going to do a quick review of this. It includes sweet chili sauce, oven bake. I'm going to put it in the air fryer and we'll see how it turns out. That's the French side. Here's the ingredients, the most important part. Actually no, that's the handling instructions. Where is it? There we go. There's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And it says shrimp, coconut flakes. What does that say? I'm looking. Contains sulfites, wheat flour, wheat gluten, tapioca starch, dextrose, garlic, onion powder, and yeast. So be aware of all those things that there. So, all right, guys, let's open this up. And so this is what it looks like when it's all cooked up. I have one right here. We're gonna do a quick taste test. It does come with the sweet chili sauce. It's more like a plum sauce. That's a little bit of spice to it, so. Okay, so there it is right there. It's kind of oily, but not bad. But it's kind of oily. But the shrimp is really good. It's very tender. Yeah. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. There's no real taste to it. Like, if you didn't put it in the sauce, there's no real taste to it, but the coconut actually is pretty cool. You do smell it. It has some aroma to it. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.